샛별
We have a new item to open up today. So this is pre-ordered from Shopee. I've ordered it on October and have just received it today. Actually, I've received it yesterday, November 23. Ngayon lang ako nag-open up. Kasi nga sabi ko, i-video ko yung pag-open ko sa kanya. This is In His Love Certified PositivePlanner. I've been using the 2022 planner. So, pangalawang planner ko to from In His Love. I also check over yung mga previous planner ko. Meron pala ako noong 2016 In His Love planner. Then after those, yung ibang mga planner ko is from Mercury Drug. Also, from yung Chikitan Piso Planner. Pero ngayon, I will stick to In His Love Planner na. So, ito, i-open na natin siya. It's very sealed, it's very secured. I ordered it with this 2023 tabletop calendar para ilalagay ko sa station ko sa workstation ko dito sa bahay. So, let us just open this up. Meron siyang tape. So, ayan. Let's open this up so I can show you a glimpse of each monthly page on this tabletop calendar. Yan yung January. Every month have its own Bible verse. February, April, May, go June, July, August, September, October, then November, and then December. Ang simple lang niya. Super simple. Now, ayan, may kasama rin na stickers, free stickers. Ayan. That you could utilize din sa planner or you can stick it on something else. So, ito na yung ating 2023 planner. I choose my favorite color. Purple. Pero ang cute, parang cute din nung pink. Parang gusto ko yun rin yung pink. Kaya lang yun nga, I stick to my favorite color na purple. Saka, baka kasi pag pink dumihin. Kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-cover ng planner. Yung planner ko rin noong 2022 walang cover. Though I'm contemplating kung nalagyan ko to ng cover. Yan, open natin siya muna. Medyo madikit yung kanyang plastic. Super securely sealed. So here it is. Yan. Ang simple ng design niya. And nung una iniisip ko parang dark purple siya, pero in reality hindi siya ganun ka-dark. Gusto ko yung pagka-shade ng purple niya. Open natin siya, and this is the first page. Then yung sa second page where you can put your name and then your information para in case mawala siya. Then it will also provide you a guide in terms of setting up your quiet time. Meron ding SOP. SOP is a study Bible guide method, scripture, observation, application, and prayer that you could write down sa per day. You could also write down your life verse and put in your verse bank. Write down your prayer request for 2023 and your spiritual goal for 2023, your personal goals, saving goals, and you have this page for year of a glance. which is also helpful para end of the year makikita mo kung ano yung mga blessings na na-receive mo for the year. And let's see its pages per month as well. You could write your monthly budget, and there is a small calendar din dito, one page calendar para pwede mong i-write down yung mga event mo or plan mo for the month. Then ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga per page per month. So this is February. Then let's look for March. There. Mark 1, 21, 28 for March. Then April is Matthew 9, 27, 31. Then look for May. May is Matthew 15, 21, 28. Now let's look for June. Okay, June. Nasaan na si June? June is Matthew 14, 13, 21. Then for the month of July, it's Matthew 14, 22 to 23. For the month of August, is Matthew 8, 1 to 4. September is Matthew 9, 1 to 8. October is Luke 22, 50 to 51. Then November is John 11, 38, 44. Then December, last month of the year, Matthew 8, 23, 27. You can also write in your year-end review and reflection. Tapos sa dulo, ayan, may mga free stickers ulit, just like the planner on 2022. Itong mga maliliit na sticker, di ko to talaga masyadong nagamit dun sa planner ko ng 2022 eh. So, meron ako tuloy extra for this 2023 that I can utilize. So, that's it. Let's summarize the planner of 2022. So, ito yung planner ko ng 2022. Honestly, hindi ko na fill outan lahat. May mga skip days din ako. Those days could be days na masyado akong busy sa work and sa bahay. Kaya hindi ko siya nakukomplete. I really do hope for 2023, makomplete ko ang daily devotion ko for 2023. So, this it is. Ito na siya. So, thank you again in His love. For this item, I will indicate on the description below yung Shopee account na pinag-orderan ko sa kanya. Bye!